We included our favorite berry in this project, the humble banana. Besides being delicious, bananas are pretty good conductors because they contain potassium, sodium, and water. This project shows that the banana, the sponge, the cast iron press, and the wrench are conductive. When the user holds the cast iron press handle and touches another conductor that has a wire attached to it, a circuit is completed. The player earns points by completing the correct circuit by tapping the corresponding object shown on the screen. The game ends when an incorrect object is tapped or time runs out. The project demonstrates that sponges, bananas, iron, and the human body are conductive in a fun and interactive way. So we brought it to class and let our friends play free of charge, but tips were encouraged. Now for a closer look at all the parts. And that's our game. Thanks for watching.